Declaring steam equipment in Morocco? Dossier Vapor is built to make that whole process way simpler.
Yeah, let's face it. For most companies, this process is a massive headache. It's so much more than a form. Think of it as a maze of tasks and a magnet for errors.
So, Dossier Vapor steps in and turns all that chaos into one clean, super fast workflow.
It puts everything in one spot. We're talking clients, equipment, declarations, all of it.
Just look at the dashboard. You can see right away what's a draft, what's ready, and what's archived.
Okay, so how does it work? Well, the process is super logical and easy to follow. This is a huge deal for inspection bodies that have to juggle multiple clients and sites. And here's the key. You only enter the equipment data once. Then you can reuse it forever.
Then the generator takes over, making sure you never, ever miss a required field.
And what do you get? A perfect, professional dossier, all ready for a signature.
Collect, generate, build, sign. This simple process saves so much time and just crushes errors.
But wait, it's not just about paperwork. Dossier Vapor actually helps boost safety too.
And check this out. It gets even smarter. You can track maintenance and even talk to an AI assistant.
All these tools really help build a strong culture of compliance, and that means way less risk.
So, who's this for? It's perfect for industrial operators and the inspection bodies that help them.
So, are you ready to ditch that complicated workflow for something simple and super efficient?
Want to see it for yourself? Just head over to the website for a live demo or to get access.